Welcome back to this video session. And now we are going to solve a very typical questions of Mathematics Olympiad. And the question is written on your screen. Now you can see which is larger 1.005 to the power 200 versus 2. Okay, of course, we have to start this solution. Just see here 1.005 to the power 200 versus 2. Okay, we have to check which one is larger between these two numbers. Okay, of course, we have to start from the left hand side because 1.005 to the power 200 is really a very complicated number. We have to simplify first. Okay, just start. 1.005 can be written as 1 plus 0.005. Okay, 1 is an integral part and 0.005 is a decimal part. Okay, now you can write this number 1 plus 5 divided by 1000 because you can convert a decimal part into a fractional part, right? Now you can write it 1 plus 1 by 200 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, because 1000 can be written as in factors of 200 multiplied by 5. So you can easily cut these two numbers 5 from numerator and denominator. So you can write this number 1 plus 1 by 200. Okay, so now come to the question. 1.005 whole to the power 200 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 200 whole to the power 200. Okay, that is very interesting. Now you can expand this term 1 plus 1 by 200 whole to the power 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 200 whole to the power 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 200 whole to the power 1 and plus dot dot 1 plus 1 by 200 whole to the power 1. Okay, so you have to split these terms into 200 separate factors. Okay, so now you can say that from here to the last there will be 200 terms. Okay, now just keep these things here like equation number 1. Now we have to think a very simple number like 2, right? Just see here. Now the number 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by 1. That's very simple. But the interesting point is here 2 multiplied by 1 can be written as 200 divided by 200. Why? Because in this expression we have 200 in the denominator. So to get this term we are thinking like this here. Okay, now we can write it 400 divided by 200. Now the most important point is that you can write this expression into a factors of 200 terms, and that is why this question has been asked in the Olympiad. Okay, so how will you do? Like this, you can write it 201 divided by 200 multiplied by 202 divided by 201 multiplied by 203 divided by 202 multiplied by 204 divided by 203 and multiplied dot dot 298 divided by 297. Why? Because you can see here, if in a numerator there is a 204, then in denominator there is 203. That is 1 is less than the numerator. In the same way, 298 in the numerator and 297 in the denominator. Okay, in this way you can write here multiplied by 299 divided by 298 multiplied by 300 divided by 299. Once again multiply here 301 divided by 300 multiplied 302 divided by 301 multiply dot dot 398 multiply 397 multiply 399 divided by 398 and multiply 400 divided by 399. This is the last point. So now you can observe this is a very interesting pattern because you are going to just express your idea to get the factor like this. Okay, so now you can observe from here, this is the first term, to the last term, there are 200 terms also here. There are 200 terms here. Just think, and we'll get the result. Okay, now you can write it like this way because 1 plus 1 by 200. So you can write the first term here in this way. 200 plus 1 divided by 200. Once again, 201 plus 1 divided by 201. 202 plus 1 divided by 202. Okay, and dot dot 300 plus 1 divided by 300. And similarly, the last term you can write here 399 plus 1 upon 399. Last term. Okay, remember there are 200 terms here. Okay, so now you can divide from this 200 separately. You can get 1 plus 1 by 200. Once again 1 plus 1 by 201. Once again 1 plus 1 by 202. Okay, and dot dot from here 1 plus 1 by 300 and once again 1 plus 1 by 399. The very interesting pattern you got here. Okay, now you have to think, just see in this expression. In this expression, you have 1 by 200, 1 by 200, 1 by 200, 1 by 200 in all 200 terms. But in this expression, you have 1 by 200, 1 by 201, 1 by 202, 1 by 300 and 1 by 399 in the increasing order. So you have to think it once again. Just see here, 1 by 200. You can approximately take it be like A by B. Okay, and 1 by 201. You can write it be like A by C. Because in the numerator there is a 1. In a numerator there is a 1. And so you have to write it like A and A common both sides. Okay. But in the denominator you have 200 and in the denominator you have 201. So change the variable like B and C here. Okay. So what will think? 201 is greater than 200. So you can write here C is greater than B. Okay? So in this way you can say that C is greater than B, right? And so A by B is greater than A by C. What do we mean by this? This means 1 by 200 is greater than 1 by 201, right? So you can say that 1 by 200, 1 by 200 greater than 1 by 201. Similarly, 1 by 201 greater than 1 by 202. Similarly, 1 by 203 greater than 1 by 204. Like, okay. So, my dear friends, you can say that in this expression, 1 by 200 is bigger than 1 by 201. Okay, so this is smaller, smaller, and smallest. So if you multiply this factor, you will get a very less result. Okay, so this expression yani 2 can be written as smaller value. So 2 has a smaller value. Okay, but 1.005 whole to the power 200 have a larger value. Okay, so in this way you can say that 1.005 to the power 200 is greater than 2, and this is the result. Which one is larger? So obviously you can say that 1.005 to the power 200 is larger than 2, and this is the result. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please let me wait for the new questions. Thanks. Good night.